Welcome to our exploration of minimalist Japanese architecture, focusing on the stunning elegance of black design. In this video, we'll take you through every aspect of a beautifully crafted black minimalist house that exemplifies the principle of harmony in design. This architecture reflects a deep connection to nature and a commitment to simplicity, allowing both the interior and exterior to merge seamlessly with the surroundings. We'll journey through the exterior design, highlighting the unique features that set this home apart, before moving inside to explore each room's thoughtful layout. Finally, we'll reveal the enchanting courtyard, where nature and architecture unite. Let's dive into this inspiring world of minimalist elegance. As we approach the house, the first thing that captures our attention is the striking exterior facade, which features a smooth black finish that absorbs light and shadows. The minimalist approach emphasizes clean lines and geometric forms, creating a sense of tranquility. This exterior isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it also showcases the principles of Japanese architecture that favor simplicity and a profound respect for the environment. The materials used, often natural, such as wood and stone, contribute to a harmonious balance with nature. The entrance door is a masterpiece in itself. Crafted from dark wood, it has an understated design, adorned with subtle metallic accents that hint at the modern touches within. The door's texture and craftsmanship invite you into a world where simplicity reigns. Framed by carefully curated landscaping, this entrance acts as a gentle transition from the outside world into a serene sanctuary, embodying the essence of Japanese hospitality, or omotenashi. Stepping inside, we're greeted by an open-plan living room that exudes calm and warmth. The black walls, softened by large windows, create an illusion of space, while natural light floods the area, emphasizing the contrast between the dark interior and the lush greenery outside. Minimalist furniture, with its clean lines and functional designs, ensures that the space remains uncluttered, inviting relaxation and contemplation. A central feature of this room is a low wooden table surrounded by floor cushions, embodying the traditional Japanese style of sitting. This arrangement encourages a sense of community and connection among those gathered. Subtle decorative elements, such as a single ikebana flower arrangement, highlight the beauty of simplicity, inviting viewers to appreciate the finer details in life. Moving into the kitchen, we find a space that reflects both functionality and artistry. The black cabinetry is sleek and modern, complemented by minimalist fixtures that enhance the aesthetic without overwhelming the senses. A large island serves as the focal point where family and friends can gather, reinforcing the importance of togetherness in Japanese culture. Natural materials like bamboo and stone are incorporated into the design, connecting the kitchen to the elements. A large window overlooks the courtyard, allowing for a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. This thoughtful design not only fosters a sense of harmony but also encourages the use of natural light, making cooking a joyful experience. As we venture into the bedrooms, the tranquility of the design becomes even more apparent. The master bedroom features a low-profile bed framed by simple yet elegant furnishings. The use of black bedding creates a dramatic effect, while the room remains airy and light due to the large windows that offer serene views of the surrounding landscape. Decor is kept to a minimum, with only a few selected pieces, such as a framed artwork or a small indoor plant, which serve as focal points without overwhelming the space. This careful curation embodies the Japanese philosophy of ma, or negative space, emphasizing the importance of what isn't there as much as what is. Each room provides a peaceful retreat, promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Now, let's step outside to the enchanting courtyard, a true embodiment of harmony between architecture and nature. This outdoor space is thoughtfully designed, featuring a minimalist Japanese garden with carefully placed stones, gravel, and a small koi pond. The black elements of the house are mirrored in the landscape design, creating a cohesive aesthetic that calms the mind. A wooden deck extends from the house, providing a perfect spot for relaxation and contemplation. Here, you can sit and enjoy the natural beauty that surrounds you, further reinforcing the connection between indoor and outdoor living. This courtyard is not just a functional space, it's a serene escape that encourages reflection and a deeper appreciation for the simplicity of life. As we conclude our tour of this stunning black minimalist Japanese house, we reflect on the art of simplicity and the harmony that can be achieved through thoughtful design. Each element, from the exterior to the interior spaces, has been carefully crafted to create a seamless blend of beauty and functionality. This architecture invites us to slow down, appreciate the moment, and reconnect with nature. In a world often filled with chaos, this home stands as a reminder of the peace that can be found in minimalism. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope you feel inspired to explore the principles of minimalist design in your own spaces. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.